Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the first way, which requires entering the secret code. You have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at this pop-out window, at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to open them. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And here we have to scroll down again to enter the status. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.